If you are struggling to straighten your knee, possibly you've noticed that knee causing you to limp when walking, then I'm going to take you through 3 exercises that you can do to improve it and get back to walking normally. My name is Luke, I'm an advanced physiotherapist, and I'm going to talk you through step by step how to do each one. The first exercise that you are going to do involves using a cushion or a towel. Now, you're going to roll up. If you have a cushion, if you have a towel, you're going to do the same. You're going to roll it up, and the aim is we want a nice gap underneath our knee, okay? So that's going to go under our foot, and we want a nice gap under here because we're aiming to drive the knee down towards the floor. Now, for some of you, if you have got some tightness or stiffness in that knee, it may look a little bit like this. The aim is we're trying to get it straight. So the things I want you to focus on are driving the knee towards the floor, bringing your toes towards you, and then you're aiming to try and contract that thigh muscle, your quadricep. And you're going to hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then relax off. And then you're going to do the same, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax off. It is likely to be a bit uncomfortable, okay? If you've been limping, if your knee is quite stiff, these muscles, particularly at the back, can get quite tight, and that can make things feel a bit uncomfortable at the back. It's normal, it's fine, and it's safe to be working into some of that. It should be manageable, it should be tolerable, okay? So pushing the knee down, toes towards you, contracting that thigh muscle. After you've done 5 to 10, you may want to give it a bit of a stretch and a move, just because in this position for a while, it can get a bit uncomfortable and stiff. The second exercise is a knee hang. Now, this is a super practical one if you are sat down for periods of the day. Either you work at a desk, you could do this, or if you're watching any TV in the evening, you could also do this intermittently throughout the evening. So, affected leg on either a chair or a stool in front of you. Similar principle, nothing underneath the knee. And the exercise is not dissimilar. You're just basically trying to stretch the back of the knee out, bring your toes towards you, and just let the knee hang down. And then relax off, toes towards you, tense that thigh muscle, push the knee down towards the floor, and then relax off. And same principle, you may feel a little bit uncomfortable behind the leg. If you did want to progress this as an exercise, you could add a little bit of weight over your thigh. Do not put it over the knee. So you could get a plastic bag, a bag for life, with a can of beans in it, or 2 cans of beans in it, or some oven mitts over your thigh muscle with a can of beans in each side, just to let the knee stretch out and try and get it straight. Can work really well. For the third exercise, you are going to need some resistance band. I've just tied mine in a knot around something stable. We're in the garden room, so we've got a garden bench, but you could do this around a dining room table, around a banister on the landing. You're going to put your affected leg inside the band. Now, presuming that we're lacking that ability to straighten the knee, make sure you're nice and stable, and you could hold on to something if you needed to. What you're trying to do is get some tension on this band by pushing your knee backwards. So you're going to push the knee backwards, try and get it as straight as you can. And similarly with the other exercises, you are trying to get a nice contraction through that thigh muscle. And this is a really good exercise to try and get your knee straighter and to try and get some thigh muscle activation. So if you haven't got any resistance bands at home, I would highly recommend getting some. They're very cheap online, and you're just trying to push that knee back into extension. I hope you found that helpful. If you would like a more structured and personalised approach to managing your osteoarthritis, I have written the Ultimate Osteoarthritis Self-Help Guide, which does exactly that. You can find a link in the description for more information about that. And don't forget, there's lots more osteoarthritis help on the Genuine Physio YouTube channel. So whilst you're checking out those videos, I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.